Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Niki Lee, and I'm from Kyungpook National University, KNU, in Korea. Today, I'm giving a presentation on developing new models for student exchange and double degrees. And before I start, let me just briefly introduce KNU first. KNU is a four-year comprehensive university. We have 4 campuses. Main campus at Daegu, and we recently merged a smaller national university in Sangju City. And we also have medical campus, including School of Medicine and School of Dental Medicine, and the medical town, which is a cancer center. This is a part of KNU main campus. KNU structure, we have 16 colleges plus 3 schools and 14 graduate schools. And we have very strong business and IT department. And our School of Business Administration has been AACSB accredited. The total number of students is almost 40,000, including 1,300 international students. KNU Celebs, he's an expert of hair transplant technology, but I don't think anyone in this room needs his help yet. And bottom left is Professor Sun-Kwan Kim, who made a special breed of corn that grows super fast. And he's been nominated for Nobel Peace Prize twice for this. And our international partnerships. And these are some of the international programs that we have. And like many other universities, we have student exchange program and double degree programs. But what are the problems of these programs? Lack of reciprocity. KNU students love to go abroad and study abroad, and we don't have any problem with finding students to send for these programs. But finding students to come to KNU was not as easy. So we had some kind of imbalance issue with some of the partner universities. And so we had to think about ways to make our programs more attractive. And as the first step, we looked into the reasons the students join international programs. The students would say it's several things: learn more about their major, become more international, improve their foreign language skills. But the bottom line is they want to improve their employability in the job market. Then what are the employers looking for? This is the employer survey by iGraduate. And it shows what employers value is soft skills like communication skills and teamworking skills. But were they satisfied with those skills, with their employees for those skills? No, they were not. This one shows that. Then, when they were asked what they value most among the students' experiences that can help nurture those skills, they answered internship. So why come to KNU? Why come to Korea? Daegu? The students don't know where Daegu is. Korea, nowadays a lot of people know about Korea thanks to Korean pop stars. But still, Korea is rarely known to foreign students. But they know these. Right? So we started to talk to the students. Hey, don't come to KNU for same old semester exchange, but come to KNU for experiences at Korean companies. University life is somewhat similar all over the world, but business culture varies from countries to countries. And experiencing the Korean business culture or business can help the students to appeal to the employers. So we merged part-time internship at Korean companies and organizations into semester exchange. So the students work twice a week while they take courses at KNU, and they can get academic credits for the internship. And KNU also offers a course titled Understanding Korean Workplace to help the students. And KNU has won the 2 EU fundings for this model with EU ICI ECP. And these universities were Okay, the title of the two projects was SciPEX and UCLA respectively, and that stands for Study and Internship Program for European and Korean Students, and for UCLA, it means EU-Korea Leadership Alliance. SciPEX was for business students, and UCLA was for engineering students. And these are our EU partners: Warsaw University from Poland, University of Ljubljana in Slovenia, University of Northumbria in UK, and Helsinki Metropolia University of Applied Sciences. And partners for UCLA, Warsaw University of Technology in Poland, Budapest University of Technology and Economics in Hungary, and Vilnius Gediminas Technical University in Lithuania, and Heilbronn University in Germany. And these are the list of companies that our students had internship at. And this is from the students' evidence portfolio. We require students to make evidence and turn in evidence portfolio when they finish the internship. And she wrote about her feelings and experiences at LG Electronics. And this is the picture I love most. The Polish student in the middle of her team at LG Electronics. This program has been very popular among students, and increasing number of students are coming to KNU for this program. And what is next? How can we add kudos, value, to our programs? What we developed is a program called Korea EU Degree Opportunities for Students, kudos. And this is a double degree program, and KNU had conventional 2+2 programs with American and Chinese universities, but we had a couple of issues. Again, lack of reciprocity. American students didn't come to KNU. And for our students as well, it's too long and too expensive to study abroad for 2 years. Kudos is 25% double degree model, meaning if a student completes 75% of degree courses at a home university and 25% at a partner university, he gets the degrees from both universities. And this is possible based on mutual credit recognition and satisfying the degree requirements at each university. And KNU has won the 3rd EU funding for this model in 2012, and these are EU partners. Again, Budapest University of Technology and Economics, Warsaw University of Technology, Warsaw University, University of Ljubljana, University of Northumbria. These are all top universities in their countries. And this is examples of degree mapping. And study plans. And this is double degree MOUs. We had to make an agreement, special agreement for this program with the partners again. And strength of kudos. This is a new undergraduate double degree model, and KNU is the first university in Korea to do this. And this is the first undergraduate double degree programs in IT and business between Korea and EU. And we're working to expand it to other disciplines and other partner universities. And there are 20 double degree possible combinations, and these are examples of the combinations of degrees. And the EU partners for the kudos have all been KNU's good partners for a long time. And we have been exchange students already, and there has been experienced the leadership on both sides, and this was the reason the kudos was possible. And we needed academic engagement from all partners. Well, I showed the examples of degree mapping and study plan, and that was the point we needed involvement from academic side. And let me share some pictures with you from our previous students. This is DMZ and Jeju Island and LG Electronics. And this is the end of my presentation, and thank you for listening. Thank you.